If your Samsung Smart TV is having problems when you want to access to voice commands, for example when you want to install apps or when you try to access any app you already have installed, well, usually by rebooting, the operating system will solve all these kind of problems. For this, you simply need to keep pressed the power on button of the remote, keep it pressed, the TV will turn off, and after a few seconds the operating system, as you can see, will be rebooted. Sometimes a reboot of the operating system will also apply any pending software update. And actually sometimes by updating the software of your TV will solve some kind of problems. So in order to check if the TV has some updates available, follow these steps. Press the settings button of the remote, click all settings, then go where it says support and then software update and then update now. Click on it, and if any update is available and your TV is presenting problems, apply it. Other thing you should check is the internet connection via LAN cable or Wi-Fi, because if for some reason the connection is lost, then the TV won't let you install apps, won't let you to access to apps already installed, sometimes won't let you to access voice commands or any other commands such as software updates. If until now none of these recommendations have solved these kind of problems, you need to apply device care by following these steps. Press the settings button of the remote, click on all settings, then go to support, device care and click on start device care. Wait until this process is completed and click done. But if this option didn't work, then you will have to reset the Smart Hub. This is the last process you would like to try because this will delete all the accounts of your apps. But this will be the most efficient step in case the other ones didn't work. For this you need to go again to device care, and here you need to click on Reset Smart Hub. This requested pin, you should know it because from the first power on of your TV it asks you to create one. Then put the pin and continue. I won't do this because it is the most drastic step. And if this reset of the Smart Hub didn't work either, or if you don't remember the pin, well, you will have to ask for Samsung technical support by clicking on this option or by calling Samsung. The phone number vary according to each country. And that's it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you do, click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also support my channel by doing some purchases through the links I put in the description and also in the first comment. Thanks for watching, and until next time.